everyone, and welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Flag's gonna whip me here. Today, guys, gonna take a look at, man, just a gorgeous 1963 Chevrolet Impala. Great car, guys. I bought this from a gentleman down in South Carolina. He's owned the car for 20 years. Great car. This is the kind of car that's kept us in business since 78. Just a good, honest, straight old car. Matter of fact, it's kind of funny. He said I tried to talk him into selling me this car last year, and was down at the show this year, and he had it for sale, so I ended up owning it. But killer car, factory color combination, Ermine white with the red interior, which is killer. Love that. It's got a healthy drivetrain there. This thing is fun to drive. It's got a mild built 454 underneath the hood, 700 R4 automatic overdrive trans, and a 373 posi rear axle. And I'll tell you this, for a big body Chevy, this thing rocks. It runs strong. But really good car. He said the paint on this car is like 17, 18 years old. Still very, very nice. You can tell this guy really maintains his stuff. But he said the drivetrain is all newer. Most of the chrome and stainless, he said, is original. And it's nice. You can pick at it a little bit, but pretty doggone nice stuff. Of course, it's got the extra chrome with the bumper guards and the nail guards and stuff around the doors. But just a good car, man. A lot of fun to drive. Really nice and tight going down the road. Dual chrome mirrors. Glass is nice. Said he just redid the interior just a couple of years ago, repainted the dash and everything. And there's not a whole lot. You can, a couple little blemishes if you walk around it and nitpick it, but very, very nice. Got those iconic 63 taillights. A couple little marks in your trim there. But you can see nice and straight down the sides. Sitting on 18-inch chrome Boss wheels with Nitto extreme rubber all the way around it. Good looking car. I dig it, man. And like I say, it's a blast to drive. Got great sound, 2.5-inch flows on it. They've upgraded it to power front disc brakes. It's got the slotted and drilled rotors. Getting good running big block 454, guys. It's a nice little cam to it. 750 Edelbrock 4-barrel. You can see it's got a Pro Comp polished intake on it. Filter top air cleaner. Chrome valve covers. Power steering. Power front disc brakes. Lots of chrome under here. 700 R4 automatic overdrive trans. With a lockup converter. There's a couple of switches under the dash. One is the electric fuel pump, one is for the lockup converter. Ceramic headers on it. Really good car. Yeah, it is a good car. Glass is nice. I think I said, but this is factory Ermine white car with a factory red interior. A-pillar chrome's nice. Again, dual chrome mirrors. This stuff, he said, is original, and it's really nice. Door seams are nice and clean. He said he just did all this interior, and it looks like it. Factory bench seat. He's put the aftermarket seat belts in it. They're nice. Factory steering wheel. He added the tach, and look how nice that dash is. He just redid all that. Seats have definitely been redone. Steering wheel is nice. Tach works. Showing, I don't know if you can see it or not, 18,000. I'm assuming that's 118. He didn't really say what the miles on. He said there's not many miles on the actual drivetrain. Again, 2 switches underneath. One's fuel pump, one's for the lockup converter. Blower motor works. Aftermarket gauges underneath there work. Audiosounds radio, it works. Again, good sounding 2.5-inch Flowmaster dual exhaust system on it. Factory axle with a 373 posi. Jack with spares in the trunk here. It's all spackle coated like it should be. Like I say, just a great car. Everything opens and closes nice. Somebody's gonna get a fun little cruiser. Pretty original underneath. It wasn't a frame off or anything like that. But it's nice, it's clean. Air shocks in the rear. Love that red interior. Seats have definitely been all repadded, refoamed, really nice. Again, the dash is beautiful. That's all been repainted. Gauges are nice and clean. Nice car. Cam. Nice little lobe to that cam. Car hits good, man. Back works. Again, all the fuel gauge works. Gauges down there are all functional. Again, everything opens and closes real nice. Oh, LED tail lights. I forgot. Oh, we got one out. I'll check that. I'm sure it's just the wire. Put in there, putzing with them. Hear that cam working. That thing's killer car. And radio works, blower motor works. Everything opens and closes nice. Neat car, man. Really neat car. Again, guys, make sure you keep track of our inventory. You can do that at southernmotors.com. Another great way to keep in touch with us is through our Instagram and our Facebook page. Definitely subscribe to our YouTube page. You can do that by clicking a little button there at the bottom. That way you get a notification every time I post a new video, guys. Oh, it's on. That LED light's on. I'm sorry. Now that sun's behind you. It's hard to see. Good looking car. If you're seeing something weird, that's just a reflection off the chrome. That car's got a good look to it, man. Good look to it. Sits good. I think they'll probably get into it a little bit. For a big Chevy, it gets down the road. great day, guys.